Welcome to the Salsa with Silvia studio. I'm Silvia and I'd like to invite you to dance like no one's watching. Here, we specialize in teaching street-style Latin dance. It's a beautifully vibrant and energetic style that you can dance in a very small space. That's the style that you need to be able to go out and enjoy social dancing. As the owner, I stand by affordable prices, gradual pace of teaching, solid structure of the learning process, friendly instructors, and state-of-the-art facility. Dancing is a fun physical activity that benefits your body and your mind. It's a great workout and it loads you up with positive energy. It can literally change your life. Our top priority, creating the best social experience for our students. That's what helped us grow from a basement studio to this beautiful space in just a few years.
The Salsa with Silvia studio is super unique because we cater to the general public. We teach the social version of many Latin dances. Our students come to learn or improve on dances that they already know. We have our classes super structured so that everyone can move up gradually, but also know that they have this perfect foundation on all of their beginner levels. Our students are super excited to come to class. They always tell me how much fun they had and how excited they are about the next one to come to. We also have socials once a month and they get to practice all the moves that they've been learning with all of their friends that they've been coming to class with. Our studio is one of a kind. We have perfect hardwood floors, we have great acoustics, and we have these mirrors across every wall in our studio. Come check us out.
El baile es expresión. Aquí vienes a divertirte, vienes a socializar y al mismo tiempo estar saludable.
I was attracted to Latin dance because of how much fun it looked. I looked into a gym window, saw people dancing, they were smiling and laughing, and I loved the music. And I think that's what attracts a lot of people to Latin dance.
En Salsa with Silvia, contamos con diferentes niveles para aprender a bailar. Además, cada mes organizamos fiestas para que vengan y practiquen.
In Salsa with Silvia, we offer 3 different types of dancing for adults: salsa, bachata, and merengue. All of them are offered in a variety of levels that fit everybody.
At the Salsa with Silvia studio, I teach different styles of dancing, salsa, bachata, but I specialize on bachata. When you come here, we teach you how to dance in a confined space. We also teach you how to style your dancing to be even more approachable.
My ultimate goal is to continue to spread the culture and love of salsa dancing to any student who's willing to learn. My favorite students are the ones who are super excited, and even if they start out with what they tell me to be 3 left feet, 4 left feet, no rhythm, those are my favorites because they're my projects. They're my ones that I really, really, really have to put extra work into to get them to where they want to be.
My main goal as a teacher is to help everybody in the classroom and make everybody have fun. I want all the students feel comfortable and feel they are part of the learning process.
My favorite thing about teaching is watching people progress. So with dance, you can watch people go from week 1 to saying I have 2 left feet to week 3 doing turns and cross-body leads and all this amazing stuff. So that's what I love about teaching dance.
Como instructor, mi objetivo es hacer fácil el aprendizaje de cada uno de mis alumnos, que se divierta y al mismo tiempo que goce de la música.
When a student's afraid to come to class, I just remind them that we have a structured schedule so that they can come to absolutely beginner and know that everyone else is there for their first class too. We learn together, we go out social dancing together, and we create a big Salsa with Silvia community for everyone to enjoy.
When a student walks in our studio, the first thing they notice is a friendly environment. Everybody's smiling, everybody's having a great time, and everybody's making everyone welcome and included.
Overall, you become a part of a family of Salsa with Silvia, and you have a lot of fun.
I've been taking classes at Salsa with Silvia Studio for about 3 years. I had some prior experience beforehand, just some social dancing, took some dropping classes at some clubs, but I didn't really get to learn how to dance until I got here. They broke it down, they made it easy, and it made it fun for me to go out and dance.
I've been taking classes at Salsa with Silvia for about 5 months now. I take intermediate bachata and intermediate advanced salsa. I originally came here not knowing anything about Latin dance, but every single class I take, I learn more and more.
Something I really enjoy about learning here at the studio is the technique of the classes. And I'm learning a new skill, a new dance that I haven't learned before, which is bachata. And what I learn every week in class, I can practice out dancing on the weekends with my friends in the clubs.
I've met so many great people here. The friendships here are unique because you share your passion for dance with others, and you find yourself not only socializing at the studio, but taking it outside and dancing as much as possible with great people.
The prices at Salsa with Silvia are very affordable. It's actually the reason why I've been here so long. They have drop-in classes, and they also have packages that you could do monthly or even weekly.
At Salsa with Silvia, the prices are so affordable. I've been dancing my whole life, and at other studios, I would be paying way more than I pay here for the same exact quality.
All of the staff and instructors here at Salsa with Silvia are incredible. In classes, they give you personalized instruction. They're always kind, and you feel like you improve each time.
The instructors are very personable and work with you individually to help you meet your own goals in Latin dance. And on top of that, they just have a great time. You can see it on their faces how much they just love being here.
The instructors at Salsa with Silvia are very friendly and very technical, and we're all a family here. That's why I really love it, is because everyone talks to each other, everybody gets along, and we just have the best of time.
So join us, we're here to serve you. We're easily accessible by car or public transportation. Our website is your one-stop portal for any questions that you may have, scheduling, instructional videos, and events. Feel free to call us, and our friendly staff is here to help. So come dance with us, have fun, make friends, and live your life to the fullest with the rhythm of Salsa with Silvia.